Alright, today's little weekend project, we've got my Academy Griffin RT Sport, so stadium truggy. So I've had this 20 years possibly. I've changed the Acom's receiver to a FlySky so I can use it with my one controller. I've lost drive while I was testing it. I think it's just the drive cup had come loose, the grub screw had worked loose from what I can see, but I've taken out the gearbox just to give her a bit of fresh grease and just to make sure everything's turning. I'll possibly replace the motor. I've got a couple of quicker motors there I can put in, so we'll have a look at that and we'll give it a go later on. So back on the RT Sport, so what I've done, the cup for the dog bone, the grub screw had come loose, so I put some fresh grease in the gears, Loctited the cups on so they don't slip again, and I've swapped out the old Silvercan and Tamiya controller ESC with an FTX 20 turn motor, and it's ESC that came with it, so this was just a eBay find, nice and cheap, so you don't have to spend lots to upgrade your cars. So turn the controller on. So that one fixed, get some fresh batteries charged and then take it out.